No, I'm gonna put it right here because it's hot. I don't need you picking it up.
Thank you.
Oh,
Thank
oh,
you.
this is what
Good,
I'm
cut into
talking
it.
about. Yeah, I know. I know
I'm excited.
he do a good job. I know that. No. Look at these guys. Look at that. And this is my guy. This is my guy. For you
Oh.
too. For you too.
Oh, for YouTube.
Mm.
Oh, look. Y'all do YouTube?
Yeah, a little bit. From my people like back in the Boston,
Mm-hmm.
you know where I'm from. Yeah, a little bit.
You gotta see this the moment of truth. You gotta see the moment of truth.
Yeah.
See, I wish, why? One day I'll get one with you. One day.
Hey, wait a minute. Liberty.
He's crazy. He's gonna drink the whole. I know. I believe him. I believe he can finish that.
You know what my favorite beer before here?
What? Which one?
Tell him.
They used to have the seasonal. It's called Franconia.
Oh, we used to have it on draft.
Yeah, but you don't
Yeah.
have it anymore.
I can try to ask my manager and see if we can bring it back for you.
Yeah, because that's why we always come here before because of the beer.
Has he ever been to Yard House?
Where?
Yard House.
Where's that? No.
It's
No.
over there. That's where I used to work. They have over 200 beers on tap.
I really that.
Belgium Golden. They had like the Hershey's Dark. They had Dragon's Milk, Ghost in the Machine.
Where is place?
I would say,
Ah, man.
let's see, it's Yard House. It's over there. You know where Memorial? All right. Do you know where like Memorial City Mall is?
Yeah, we were there the other day.
Okay, Memorial City Mall is right around that area. It's called Yard House and City Center. It's like where Studio Movie Grill, Raw Sushi, and like all these other places are at. It's over there by like Town and Country Boulevard. It's like going towards Memorial City Mall. You go there for Yard House.
Yard House.
They're known because the beers that we have, like we have these glasses, but we also have the half yards. The half yards are the tall ones that you can drink. He had the time of his life in there. He would fall in love with that
We're
place.
gonna go there.
Yeah,
for
hey,
sure.
and they weekends they close. At weekends they close at I believe 2. Or no, they believe they close at like 1:30. And then weekdays they close at like 12:30. So yeah, and then they have a regular happy hour and a reverse happy hour. The regular happy hour is Monday through Thursday, and it's from 3 to 6. And then the reverse happy hour is like 9 to 11. 9 to 11:30.
We're gonna go there
Yeah,
for sure, and we'll come back to let you know.
I love beer. Like my favorite beers, I like the Art Car. I like the Art Car. I like the Ghost in the Machine. Let's see what's another one I like. They have a Smarties beer. It's kind of like a light. I like their House Belgium. The House Belgium.
Oh yeah, Belgium. Of course.
Yeah, he would fall. You know what, huh? I'm gonna go for my phone.
Yeah, man.
Thank you.
You see? No.
They put butter. Next time we have butter.
Dio dobre to tamo. Ma ja to ramu, baby. Ja to ramu, sad pa sad, gledaj. Gledaj. Op. Op. To je to. Je. Gledaj to. Oh. To je to what we're talking about. Dobro? To je to što se traži. To je to. This is for my brother-in-law.
Let's go. Yard House.
Yeah, Yard House over there, City Center.
I know one thing. If I go over there,
You know, at the time I used to work there.
I be like
Oh, yeah.
last person to left.
Oh yeah, you gonna be there for? Hey, it's a good place. It's very nice.
What's the location? Yeah, there are so many Yard House. What location?
Here's this one. Cirilla Court. Yeah, it's that one.
This one?
Yeah.
Oh, it's not far. Okay,
Memorial?
got it. Yeah, we're gonna see. 10 miles actually.
See, look, over 200 taps. It goes around.
Oh,
You see, like all the taps and stuff that they have. It goes all around that, and you see, like these, all them tubes. That's where the beers there are coming from. Yeah, I know. I'm gonna have them in love with that place.
It's like,
Look.
oh yeah, but this is what I'm talking about.
Yeah, they got they probably now see they have Texas beers and different beers. Like they got something called Galveston Seafoam.
Oh yeah. I know.
So he that beer that y'all looking for, they may have it. Y'all house may have that beer because
No,
they
of
have
course.
over 200, 300 taps. Yes.